birthday servant with her blue gown. Scarlett. Dalagang Pilipinang natin. Ayan. Partida. Ayan. Okay, ganda na. Meron parang pangalan mo po kayo?
Ang nagkaupo-upo na.
Meron ng flower. Balon. Palakpakan naman to our birthday celebrant. And thank you so much everyone. And now let's settle down for us to give a little